Standard form is a way of writing very large or very small numbers easily. So I'll explain this by looking at a few examples. Here's the first example. How can you write 3,960,000 in standard form? So the first thing I'm going to do is to copy this number down. Now the process of writing this is we are going to move the decimal to a number between 1 and 10. So this is where the decimal is. If we start from here and you're moving it to a number between 1 and 10, that will mean that we have to move several spaces to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we move the decimal from where it was 6 spaces to the left. These are 6 spaces. So to write this number in standard form, the new number that we have is now 3.96. So our answer will be 3.96 multiplied by 10. Now the power that you're going to write here is basically this that we have here. So we write the 6 there. And our answer will be 3.96 times 10 to the power 6. So that's the process of writing numbers in standard form. Here is another example. How can you write 4.37 times 10 to the power 7 as an ordinary decimal? So already this number is in standard form. We want to write it as an ordinary decimal. What you're going to do is to do the opposite of what you did in the previous example. So write 4.37 and then move this decimal 7 spaces to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what we have now is all these spaces that we have in between here will become zeros, and our answer will be 437 after all this period, which is 43,370,000. 43,700,000. Okay. How about when you have small numbers? So how can you write 0.00072 in standard form? What you're going to do is the same thing. Move the decimal to a number between 1 and 10. Which will mean we start from here, we move 1, 2, 3, 4. So the number that we have is 7.2. So our answer will be 7.2 times 10 to the power. Now remember, how many spaces did we move? 4 spaces. And this is what you're writing as a power. But since we moved in the opposite direction, so that will be -4. Ideally, because it's a decimal. For all decimals, you'll end up with a negative power of 10. So our final answer is 7.2 times 10 to the power -4. Here is another example. How can we write 4.37 times 10 to the power -7 as an ordinary decimal? So that's the opposite of what we did in the previous question. So we are going to move several steps to the left, 7 spaces to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All these guys become zeros. And we'll have a 0 there as well. So our answer will be 0.12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 7.